Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to import an Alembic animation into Unity. In the previous video we created this soft body physics animation with Blender, a simple bouncing ball. Now we'll export this as an Alembic animation, so I choose File, Export, Alembic, and export the selected object only into the directory of my Unity project. To be able to import the Alembic into Unity, you need to download the AlembicForUnity asset. I added the link to the description below. In Unity you can import this as a custom package. After that I add a plane to my scene and center it. And then I drag in the Alembic animation, the ball that we exported into the animations directory. Be sure to set the scale factor to 1. In order to play this animation now, you can make use of the timeline. Open the timeline tab with the ball selected and create a new playable. In this timeline you create a new Alembic track. And for this track, add an Alembic shot. Great, and now just drag the ball to the stream player slot. Now I'm setting the time of the shot to the end. And when I press the play button now, the Alembic animation is played. If you like, you can also change the material of the ball that you imported, and just like in Blender, I set it to a red color. Okay guys, that's it for the Alembic import. In one of the next videos I will show you some more stuff that you can do with Alembics in Unity or Unreal Engine. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you liked this short tutorial, and if you want to help this channel grow, consider supporting me on my Patreon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon on JNM.